Once upon a time, the sun and the wind were having a friendly yet fierce debate. They both claimed to be the most powerful force in the world. "I am clearly stronger," boasted the wind, puffing out its chest. "I can sweep anything away with just a gust." "Oh, really?" said the sun, its rays flickering in amusement. "I believe I am the stronger one. No one can stand against my heat." Their rivalry continued until they noticed a traveler on the road below, wearing a thick coat to shield himself from the chill. "I have an idea," said the wind with a mischievous grin. "Let's see which one of us can make the man take off his coat. The one who succeeds first will be the winner." The sun agreed, and the challenge was set.
The wind's turn. The wind went first. It began to blow with all its might, sending gusts through the trees and rattling the leaves. The man tightened his grip on his coat, buttoning it up even more securely. The wind huffed and puffed, growing more forceful, hoping the power of its blasts would tear the coat away. But the harder the wind blew, the more the man clung to his coat. He shivered, pulling the collar up high to shield himself from the chill. "I'll make him take it off," the wind thought, blowing even harder. Yet, despite the fury of the storm, the man only seemed to hold on tighter, determined not to be shaken. After what seemed like an eternity, the wind gave up, its energy spent.
The sun's turn now. It was the sun's turn. Calmly and gently, the sun began to shine, sending warm beams down to the road. The man paused, feeling the warmth on his face. He unbuttoned his coat, then loosened the collar. The gentle heat made him feel more comfortable, and he even started to smile. As the sun grew brighter, the man started to feel warmer still. The heat wrapped around him like a soft embrace, and soon he couldn't stand the coat any longer. He removed it and placed it on the ground beside him, basking in the sun's warmth. The sun beamed with satisfaction. "You see, I told you I was stronger." The wind, now humbled, sighed. "Yes, you are. I tried to force him, but you showed him kindness instead. I've learned something today." Moral of the story: sometimes, force and pressure only make things harder. It's gentleness and patience that win in the end.
Subscribe to my channel.